And welcome to the Unnamed Science Game Show, where 5 lucky followers will face off against me, the TikTok Science King. We'll be asked 5 questions, and the first person to hit their buzzer will get the first opportunity to answer. 5 questions, 5 rounds, 5 followers, and any round I lose, I gotta add a condiment to the cup of and I gotta drink whatever concoction is mixed up at the end. To the brave fans waiting to take me on, you're going down! And now, for the time you've all been waiting for, here's your host, Mr. Eric Muscleman Bjornstein.
Let's welcome our first and next contestant. Question 1. What is the center of an atom called? All right, Tim, I saw you just first, barely. What do you got?
Wait, is it like in the center of an atom is like a protons and neutrons, and then electrons are outside, correct?
That's correct, but that doesn't actually answer the question. David, you have a different answer.
Wait, did you say a cell?
What is the center of an atom called?
Oh, I know. Oh crap, he has to guess.
I don't know.
Is it the nucleus?
Okay, back to Tim.
Nucleus?
Nucleus is correct.
Yes! Okay.
All right, just 1 point for Tim.
I was gonna say that, but I thought it was from a cell.
No, here's the thing, David.
All right.
You have nothing bad happen to you if you lose. I, on the other hand, have to eat something of these.
Okay.
Question 2, Tim. Botany is the study of what? Okay, David, I got you going first. What do you got?
It's the study of plants.
That's absolutely correct.
Okay.
Good job, David.
I learned that from Martian.
All right, right now the score is 1-1. Next question. Metals will typically expand when heated and will do what when they're cooled? Tim, we got you first.
I just posted a video about this, and it was about the Eiffel Tower. Remember, guys? So when it gets warm, it gets smaller. It gets bigger.
So expand?
Yes.
That's incorrect. David, what is your answer?
Contract?
Contract is the correct answer.
So I just get confused.
Yeah, Tim, I told you they expanded in the question.
Oh, well then whatever. Okay, 2-1.
All right, David.
I'm getting
good work.
nervous.
Ooh, okay.
What do you call a person who studies rocks? Tim.
A geologist? No.
That's correct.
Oh, it is? Okay.
All right, now we're tied at 2-2, 2 apiece.
David, I want you to win, but I don't want to lose. I'm trash talking here.
What is the name of the phobia that involves an abnormal fear of spiders?
I got this. Arachnophobia.
David.
What?
Oh.
I raised my hand first!
Arachnophobia.
Shut up!
That's right, David.
I raised it. I saw it. You all saw it. I raised my hand first. Okay, so I'm starting with the easy one. The first one I'm choosing to add to the cup will start, this is soda. So that is the first bit. My dad was very nice to give it to me because he gave me salad dressing, pickle juice, tomato sauce, and grape jelly. So that's what will get added to this next. Let's hear the claps on TikTok for David. Yay!
All right, new participants. Are you gentlemen ready for the first question?
Yes.
Here we go. Question 1. What is the main gas found in the air that we breathe? Okay, Tim?
Is it nitrogen? No, that would be wrong.
That is correct.
Oh, it is. Okay, good. Nitrogen.
Okay, that's 1 for Tim. Next question. Animals which eat both plants and other animals are known as what? Okay, Tim?
Is it omnivore? No, or is that just plants?
All right, Tim, if you keep saying no after your
Is
answer,
it
I'm gonna start
omnivore?
counting
Fine.
the
Is it omnivore? What is omnivore? Jeez, Eric.
Okay, that's correct.
It isn't?
Omnivore
Okay.
is correct.
All right.
Tim's gone out to an early 2-question lead, but don't worry, there's 5 questions. Next question. What is the name of the famous scientist who gave us laws of motion as well as gravity? All right, Christopher, what do you got?
Isaac Newton.
That's absolutely correct. Good job, gentlemen.
Christopher, yes!
Good work. Okay, next question. The gemstone ruby is typically what color? Okay, Tim, I saw your hand go up first.
Is it red?
Red is correct.
Okay.
Good job, Tim.
Okay, I won this round, but let's see what the last question is. Let's make
Last
it.
question.
The last question's worth 3 points. If he gets it right, then I still lose. Triple point bonus! The next question is worth 3 points. Whoever gets it right wins the round.
All right, last question worth 3 points. Here we go. What is the fastest land animal in the world? Christopher, go
A
ahead.
cheetah.
The cheetah is correct. And that's worth 3 points.
I am the one, the way you're talking.
So you guys win.
I shouldn't have made that bet. I shouldn't have. I was winning.
The viewers win again based on Tim's challenge. All right, Tim, what are you adding to the concoction?
I'm going by least disgusting first. I am adding like this gross jam that's been sitting in the fridge for like 5 years. This is disgusting. I have to eat this at the end, right? It's fizzing. Look at, there's like a little reaction.
All right. Good job, gentlemen.
Thank you. Do you have any last things to say? Any trash talk?
No.
All right. Thank you guys for joining us, and thanks for being following and chatting with us today. Okay.
Thanks, gentlemen.
I lost all of these. See,
Yeah,
my problem is
now.
that I'm too nice. Oh goodness. Okay, here, ready? I'm adding it in. The pickle juice. I don't want to sniff this. Actually, it doesn't smell that bad. Whoa. What if I just invented something? What about stale jelly, stale jelly soda, and pickle juice?
Don't taste it yet. Don't taste it yet. All right, let's admit our next participant. Are you ready for the first question, Emma?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Question 1. What is the compound H2O more commonly known as? Okay, now someone his hand first. Emma.
Water.
That's correct. Good job, Emma. All right, Tim, you're already down.
Yeah, I know, Eric. You're telling me. I know I'm down.
Next question, guys. The death of every member of a particular species is known as what event? Tim.
Extinction.
Tim, that's correct. Okay, 1 and 1.
Emma, you're going down, girl.
Next question. The Earth is located in which galaxy? Tim.
The Milky Way.
Milky Way is correct. All right, Tim, you're up 2 to 1.
2 to 1. I'm determined.
Next question.
Okay.
What do you call molten rock after it has erupted from a volcano? Emma?
Lava.
Lava is correct. Good job, Emma. All right, no, we're 2 to 2.
Ready?
It's coming down to this last question. What food makes up nearly around 99% of a giant panda's diet? Tim?
Bamboo.
Bamboo is correct.
Yes. No offense, Emma, but I do not want to add tomato sauce to the concoction. Not today.
You survived this round. Just barely.
Emma, do you have anything to say to the peoples at home before you go?
Stay safe.
Thank you for
Thank you, Emma.
playing. Bean Eater! Yes, boy! Welcome! This guy has been a long-time subscriber.
Hey, what's up?
Oh yeah, just a little trash talk. You're going down!
All right, Bean Eater, are you ready for the final round of Unnamed Science Game Show?
Yes.
All right,
All right, here we go. It's gotten serious.
Acids have a pH level below which number on the pH scale? Okay, Tim, I see your hand up.
Eric, that was too easy. It's 7.
Tim, you are correct. It is 7. All right.
Got it. I think I learned that in your class, Eric.
Okay, next question, guys. Bacterial infections in humans can be treated with what medication? Okay, Tim.
Tylenol? I don't know.
That's incorrect. Sorry.
Oh, are you just saying like the generic? What is
Bean
it?
Eater?
I think it's like vaccines. I don't know.
Oh, you are very close, but that is also incorrect.
I know. Do you just want
I
one?
think you better check the chat.
Do you guys know? Ask the question again.
Bacterial infections in humans can be treated with what?
Okay, so you guys, the question is, antibiotics. That's what it is? Antibiotics.
That is correct.
Darn! Oh, you got helped out, Bean Eater. Who got it right? Let's see here. Timmy
That's
the
1
Tin
for Tim and
Can.
1 for subscribers. What is the Earth's primary source of energy?
So,
Yes, Bean Eater?
light,
From? Where is the light from, Bean Eater?
the sun.
Absolutely, that is correct.
My button
2
wasn't
points for
working.
subscribers.
2-1. Ugh.
Fourth question. What is the name of the layer of Earth's atmosphere that absorbs the majority of ultraviolet light from the sun? Oh yes, Bean Eater.
The ozone layer.
Ozone layer is correct. And that is 3 points.
So I lost.
Unfortunately for Tim, the subscribers have won this round yet again.
Let's keep going. Can we do the double or nothing?
last question.
Can we do the double or nothing? I gave it to the subscribers.
Okay, that sounds fair.
I think
Double
it's
or nothing.
fair. I gave you guys a double or
Double or
nothing.
Bees, the flying insect, bees, are found on every continent of Earth except for one. Which continent? Okay, Tim, I saw your hand first.
The Antarctic.
Antarctic is correct.
Praise the baby Jesus. I mean, I still have to drink pickle juice and
Yeah.
cola.
For the purpose of statistics, Bean Eater has won this round. Good job, Bean Eater.
Oh yeah, I won. I won.
Do you want to see? Do you want to stay here to see me take a spoonful of this?
It's just a spoon. Tim, shouldn't you just, it's in a glass, shouldn't you put it to your mouth?
Stop. Thanks for helping me, Eric. Thank you. Okay, are you guys ready? Here we go. I'm gonna take like a good gulp.
Tim, you can do it.
And you know it was juicy because it got all over my shirt. Honestly, it tastes like a gross, I don't know, sports drink. Oh,
Bean Eater, do you have any trash to talk to Tim before you leave?
yeah, for winning.
I'm better at science than you are.
Damn! All right, guys. Here, let me go over here,
Bean Eater.
and we'll sign off the TikTok stream too. And that was a nasty cup of doom. But squids, thank you so much for watching and tuning into the first ever science game show. Oof, Unnamed Science Game Show. I had an absolute blast making it. I know Eric did, and everybody who watched live, all like 70 of you on TikTok and like the 20 people who logged into Zoom. I so appreciate all of you guys for watching and participating. If you guys want to be on another episode of the Unnamed Science Game Show, don't stress, we are doing many more of these. Just go follow me on TikTok because I always release a promo video the day before, which will kind of like announce to all my audience that I'm doing it. And then we'll go live usually on a weekend around 5-6 p.m. Central US time. So this is a newly relaunched channel, so make sure you guys subscribe and put on push notifications because it'll really help me out and help you guys be notified anytime I put up a new video. Make sure to check me out on TikTok and Instagram. I put out 3 videos a day on average on TikTok, so there's a lot of content there for you guys to enjoy. Before I go, you guys, I want to remind you to stay you, stay beautiful, and keep moving forward. In life, people are always going to try to get you down, and it's really easy to be put down. But I want to encourage you that by staying positive and pushing past the haters, you can get through it. So many people told me that nobody wanted to watch science, that I wasn't cool enough, I wasn't smart enough, I was just too dumb and not smart. And let me tell you, I thought they were right for so long. But then I found people who really believed in me and told me that I didn't have to change, that though I can learn and grow and improve myself, deep down inside, there's people out there who can like me for just the way I am. And it's true. I mean, I like you, the good Lord loves you, so stay you, stay beautiful, and keep smiling. Bye, squids!